are in Boracay. Ang gulo ng itsura ko. Pasensya na. I don't know why I'm awake at this time. It's, time check. It's, I think, 6. Past 6. I woke up at 6 exactly. And I can still hear the rain pouring outside. I'm getting a little bit nervous because I don't know if I should rebook already and start booking my uh the other days that maybe I could stay here, because I really don't feel fine flying alone with turbulence, and I don't think it's safe. I don't think that it's wise to do that, but it's gonna be budget wise kasi syempre, 'di ba? I have money left naman, but yun lang, parang it's not the way that I planned this vacation to be. But I'd rather be safe than sorry. Especially that I'm traveling alone. Well, it's only Wednesday, but I've been checking the weather news since yesterday or the other day pa nga yata. And sabi, the typhoon outside the country pa naman, but it's near, is might is moving slowly, and the typhoon will hit the country soon. So parang ako and it's saying that it's still until the weekend. So parang ako yun, medyo, kasi it's my birthday on Sunday, and I'm supposed to be back to Manila or in Manila by Friday so that I can spend my time with my family naman ng weekend. Because Monday, I need to work. So that's another kind of a worrying thing, because if I don't get out of this island because of the heavy rains, as in malala yung ulan, as in ganun yung level niya na, you wouldn't even want to jump on the boat. You don't even want to swim. And you wouldn't even dare, if I were you, you wouldn't dare fly. Because turbulence talaga mangyayari sa'yo. So, I think that maybe I need to talk to my mom. It's so early. I'm not even that awake yet. I need my coffee. Tapos, I don't know, this is my last day here at Susuni, because I'm gonna be moving later to Sur. So, si Sur is a more private area of White Beach. I'm excited. And they're gonna have a cake for me for my birthday. Yun. So, that's just something nice. A nice treat away from this horrible na yung pronunciation ko. Tung panahon na to. Yeah. And I just want to say na napapagod na ako sa baha. It's been flooding. This one is just minor flooding at the Escanitas. So, medyo lang. When you walk, coming from the back road, going to the front part of the beach, you're gonna end up walking through the puddle. Not just a puddle, but a flood. Yung nga, low flood. Tama ba? So, yes. For the past 2 nights, I've been doing that. Because sometimes I need to go at the back road, eat there. So, safety over anything else. Especially when you're traveling alone. So, that's a tip for you guys. If you're traveling alone, make safety your top priority. When it comes to a hotel, make sure it's secure. And, you just don't go crazy. Because you don't have anybody else here with you. It's just you. So, yun. Anyway, guys, I'll be back. I need to wash my face. Thinking of doing, well, I think they already have breakfast at this time. What time is it? I think it's around maybe almost 7. So, maybe I'll just have quick breakfast. Usually in the mornings, don't really get to eat that much because of work. So, I eat light and then just have my good coffee. So, yeah, and then I need to pack my stuff. I'm kind of, medyo sa, ay Nikita, But, yun, medyo ayos na naman yung gamit ko. But I doubt that I will be kasi able to sleep again. I'm not really like that. I don't get to sleep when I wake up na. Yan. Peace out. Welcome to Sur Boracay. And look at that. Ang saya. May pa-birthday si Sur from Lemony Cafe. Let's check it out. Ang cute. Thank you, Sur Boracay. So I will be eating that by myself. Hi. Hi guys. So I've moved to another hotel. And I'm going to show you the room of Sur. I think I'm at the very back because I can see the gate. So yeah, I've read about that na the room is at the back for the promo package. Sorry, it looks so wretched because I came all the way from Station 3 and then got some food. May McDonald's right here, and then I went back to my first hotel, sa Suzuni, and then now I'm here at Sur. So, welcome to the room. So, yun yung entrance. And then, you have like this closet here. There's the ref, a laundry basket, and what do you call this? Upuan. Lamesa. And then, here's the bedroom. I mean the bed. There's my cake. That is so nice. So this room is good for two. And what else do you have? You have the TV and so this is my welcome drink. I haven't tried it. I think it's cucumber. There's a TV. And then you have tea, but walang coffee, sadly. 2 bottles. Pakuluan. Or percolator. And a mirror. So you can check yourself, make yourself look good. And that's me. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. So here, you have the typical toiletries, and then you have shampoo with conditioner. You have the usual dental kit, toothbrush, toothpaste. And then, ano to? Baka toothpick to. Tama ba? Not toothpick. Basta yung, parang ganun. Parang siya yung plastic. Ah, no. Cotton buds. And then, a soap. So, and, baso. Sorry guys, I'm so tired. Can't even talk so well. So, ito yung CR nila. It has a big shower head. So, that's a rain shower. Um, then, may soap yata dun. So, it's just a simple toilet. But, it's a cozy room naman. Madilim lang. So, it's good that they have a big window. Because I don't like bad lighting. It makes you sad when you're staying by yourself. Buti na lang my friends are coming in. So, what am I going to do today? I actually have no idea. Umaraw na when I was on my way here. Medyo umaraw na. I guess I'll just show you the entire resort. I think this is bigger than Suzuni. Hindi ko na sa inyo pinakita yung Suzuni kasi ano lang naman, hallway, stairs. It's quite small. It was a boutique hotel. So, Sur is bigger than Suzuni. But they don't have a pool. But they have more amenities. And it's the quieter side of the White Beach. So, if you want to spend your time sa White Beach, tapos away from the crowd, away from people, and you have a bigger front, ang tawag doon, shoreline, you go to this part of White Beach, of Station 1. I told myself before that if I go back to Boracay, I would make sure that I would stay at this part of White Beach. Kasi, alam mo yung habang tumatanda ka, mas, hindi ko alam, nagiging tita na talaga ako na ayoko na magulo, ayoko na maingay. So, when I found a promo of Sur, yun, I said na, okay, I'll check this out. And this was also recommended by one of the top vloggers, si Mikey Busto. So, shout out to Mikey. That helped me decide to get this room. And I paid 7,800 for everything except for the transfers, which is 800 out one way. So, yung 7,800 package, you get to have, I think this is super deluxe room. And then, may kasama na siyang massage for two. It has your daily breakfast. It has a dinner, one dinner lang. Yan. And then, they also have happy hour daw, sabi nung receptionist kanina. So, my expectations are high. Well, tama lang. Basta may nag-expect ako that this would be good because look at that, they give you a cake. So, diba? Parang it's making my stay in Boracay much better, especially that I don't even get to swim. Okay, peace out and see you later. I don't share the same sentiments as he does. Seriously, hindi talaga. Parang hype. Hype lang. And, ang dami kasi yung sinabing sobrang okay. And I don't agree with him at all. So, ang ganda kasi nung pinanggalingan ko. So, I guess, subjective. my book. And then you have this drink. I have the beach. I don't know if I should stay longer to book my flight and then get move to another hotel. Stay put. They're convincing me to do that, but I don't think I should stay longer.